As we enter our 40s, our nutritional needs evolve, making it increasingly important to focus on meals that are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. A healthy lunch can help maintain energy levels, support metabolism, and provide the necessary vitamins and minerals to keep our bodies functioning optimally. In this article, we will explore some of the best natural healthy lunch recipes tailored for individuals aged 40 and above. These recipes are easy to prepare, satisfying, and most importantly, nutritious. Why lunch matters. Before diving into the recipes, let's briefly discuss why lunch is crucial, especially for those in their 40s. Sustained energy. A well-balanced lunch can help maintain energy levels throughout the afternoon, preventing the post-lunch slump. Mental focus. Proper nutrition supports cognitive function, enhancing focus and productivity at work or home. Weight management. A healthy lunch can help control hunger, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking later in the day. Nutrient intake. Lunchtime is an excellent opportunity to incorporate a variety of food groups, ensuring a balanced diet. Now, let's explore some nutritious and flavorful lunch recipes that will keep you energized and satisfied. 1. Quinoa and black bean salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can 15 ounces black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1 bell pepper, diced any color, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, optional, avocado slices for topping. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, black beans, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, and cilantro. In a small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Serve with optional avocado slices on top. Health benefits: quinoa is a complete protein and a great source of fiber, supporting digestive health. Black beans provide plant-based protein, iron, and antioxidants. Colorful vegetables add essential vitamins and minerals, making this salad a nutritional powerhouse. 2. Grilled chicken and vegetable wrap. Ingredients: 1 whole grain or spinach tortilla, 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, sliced 1/2 cup mixed greens, spinach, arugula, etc. 1/4 cucumber, sliced 1/4 bell pepper, sliced 1 tablespoon hummus or tzatziki sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: spread the hummus or tzatziki sauce over the tortilla. Layer the mixed greens, grilled chicken, cucumber, and bell pepper on top. Season with salt and pepper. Roll the tortilla tightly, slice in half, and enjoy. Health benefits: grilled chicken is a lean protein source, essential for muscle maintenance and repair. Whole grain tortillas provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Fresh vegetables add fiber and hydration, keeping you full longer. 3. Lentil soup with spinach. Ingredients: 1 cup dried lentils, green or brown, rinsed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, diced 2 carrots, diced 2 celery stalks, diced 3 garlic cloves, minced 6 cups vegetable broth, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion, carrots, and celery, cooking until softened, about 5-7 minutes. Stir in the garlic and cumin, cooking for an additional minute. Add the lentils and vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for about 30-35 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Stir in the fresh spinach and cook until wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot with a slice of whole grain bread if desired. Health benefits: lentils are high in protein, fiber, and iron, supporting heart health and digestive function. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. This soup is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a filling option. 4. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Ingredients: 1 can 15 ounces chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 cucumber, Diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 red onion, finely chopped 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled 1/4 cup Kalamata olives, pitted and sliced 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the chickpeas, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, feta cheese, and olives. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Health benefits: chickpeas provide plant-based protein, fiber, and important minerals. Feta cheese adds flavor and calcium without too many calories. The combination of vegetables ensures a variety of vitamins and antioxidants. 5. Sweet potato and black bean bowl. Ingredients: 1 medium sweet potato, cubed 1 can, 15 ounces black beans, rinsed and drained 1/2 avocado, sliced 1/4 cup corn, fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 F 200 C. Toss the cubed sweet potato with olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper, then spread on a baking sheet. Roast for 25–30 minutes, or until tender and slightly crispy. In a bowl, layer the roasted sweet potatoes, black beans, corn, and avocado. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Health benefits: sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamins. Black beans offer protein and antioxidants, supporting heart health. This bowl is colorful and packed with nutrients, making it a satisfying option. 6. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, spiralized into noodles, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup pesto, store-bought or homemade, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese for serving, optional. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the zucchini noodles and cook for 2–3 minutes until slightly softened. Stir in the cherry tomatoes and pesto, cooking for another 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve warm, topped with grated Parmesan cheese if desired. Health benefits: zucchini is low in calories and high in vitamins, making it an excellent pasta substitute. Pesto provides healthy fats and flavor, and can be made with various herbs. This dish is light yet satisfying, perfect for a refreshing lunch. 7. Turkey and avocado lettuce wraps. Ingredients: 8 ounces deli turkey breast, low sodium, 1 avocado, mashed 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1/4 cup cucumber, sliced butter, lettuce leaves or romaine leaves, salt and pepper to taste, optional, hot sauce or mustard for additional flavor. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the mashed avocado with salt and pepper. Take a lettuce leaf and spread a layer of avocado on it. Add slices of turkey, shredded carrots, and cucumber. Roll the lettuce leaf around the filling and secure with a toothpick if necessary. Add hot sauce or mustard if desired. Health benefits: turkey is a lean source of protein, essential for muscle maintenance. Avocado provides healthy fats and fiber, promoting heart health. This recipe is low in carbs and can be easily customized. Conclusion: eating a healthy lunch is vital for maintaining energy and overall well-being, especially as we age. The recipes shared in this article are not only nutritious but also easy to prepare, using whole ingredients that support a balanced diet. By incorporating a variety of foods, you can ensure that your lunch is rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. From salads to wraps, these lunch ideas are designed to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Enjoy experimenting with these recipes, and feel free to modify them to suit your taste preferences. Embrace the journey of healthy eating, and watch how it positively impacts your life in your 40s and beyond.